the flashes which are coming for you on your screen. We understand from our sources that a SEBI circular with respect to options trading in commodities has been sent to the Commexes, and this will give us a sense of the operational framework and the modalities for the launch of commodity options by exchanges like MCX. Yash Jain joins in with the details. Yash, this of course will be a very significant reform which is much awaited for MCX, because we know in the case of stock exchanges the options volumes are far greater than the futures volume. So it could boost up the volumes for MCX significantly once commodity options comes into play. But what are you picking up? How soon is it going to be operational?
Well, as you rightly pointed out, this will be very crucial and some development which the market has been waiting for with respect to the introduction of options trading in the commodities market. Remember, just last April, SEBI had given its approval for the introduction of options trading in the commodities market, and the next two logical steps after that was to decide the settlement mechanism with respect to these options contracts, and also to decide the commodities where options trading would be introduced in the first tranche of this rollout. Remember, SEBI had said that the options trading will be introduced in one agri and one non-agri commodity in the first phase, and now today we are given to understand that the market regulator has already communicated its stand to the two Commexes, which is MCX and NCDX, as far as the settlement mechanism is concerned. There were multiple rounds of discussions with respect to the various stakeholders and SEBI. In fact, the last meeting of CDAC, which is the Commodities Advisory Committee, was chaired by SEBI chairman himself, where the settlement mechanism was discussed. There were three options which SEBI was considering. One was a cash-based settlement just as equities, one was delivery-based settlement as futures, and the third one was a hybrid mechanism where options contracts could be converted into futures in the last few days of the expiry. Now, we're given to understand that the third option, which is the hybrid mechanism, is likely to be selected by SEBI, and this particular notification in terms of a circular will be put out by the two exchanges, which is MCX and NCDX, in this week itself. Now, going ahead, after this circular has been given to the two exchanges and is out, the exchanges would be eligible to recommend that one agri and one non-agri commodity where they would want to see options trading to be introduced in the first rollout. So definitely things moving forward, and once the commodities have been fixed, I am given to understand that in the next 1 month or so, we could actually see trading happen in options trading in the commodity space.
All right, Yash, thanks so much for that. Well, we did see an initial spurt on the